Imagine a world where your computer can think and solve problems faster than you can blink. OpenAI's latest, GPT 5.2, isn't just a step forward. It's a quantum leap into the AI future. With groundbreaking coding abilities, it's creating Photoshop-like applications in mere seconds. But here's where it gets unbelievable. It can simulate entire environments, like beehive constructions and 3D street scenes, better than anything we've seen. And that's not all. It even nails the notorious Find Waldo challenge with laser-like precision. But wait, this isn't a perfect story. Just as it's solving complex puzzles, it struggles with a simple flowchart, showing even top-tier models have a way to go. Yet, it's time to face the truth. GPT 5.2 doesn't just perform tasks, it outdoes human experts in over half of them. Here's what that means. AI isn't coming, it's here. So, when you look to the future, remember this. The capabilities of AI are rewriting the rules of what was once thought impossible.